Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home we are back in the dining room for Wednesday, December 4th. We are on to mission number 3 of our super cruising missions. So welcome to Wednesday. It is Anti-Procrastination Day in the Fly Lady system. So if you have anything on your list that still needs to get taken care of, today is a great day to do it. It doesn't have to be a big project. If it's just ordering a few last minute gifts, or I guess it's really not last minute, but if you have a few gifts on your list yet to get, then today would be a great day to do that. Or any other little things around the house that have just been, you've been noticing them, you keep passing them by and thinking, I'll do that later. Well, today is the day. It's Anti-Procrastination Day, so let's get those later jobs done. And your super cruising mission for today is to do a clean and fling, so just 15 minutes. If you want to do this as part of your weekly home blessing hour, you can do that. Otherwise, just set your timer, run around the house, see what you can get gathered up and gotten rid of, whether it's trash or just things to donate, things to recycle, things to get boxed up and passed on to someone else, whatever it may be. I actually have a baby swing in the basement that I am going to take to my neighbor who has a baby, and I no longer have one. So my baby is 5. We don't need the infant swing anymore. So she was glad to have it, and I'm happy to share it and get it out of my basement. So I'm moving that out as part of my anti-procrastination and cleaning and flinging. And I also delivered a whole carload of stuff to my sister the other day, of things that we're no longer needing and my daughter is no longer playing with, and my niece, she's going to be 2 very soon, she will enjoy them and get a lot of use out of them. So just do what you can to make more room and space in your life for the goodies that are coming at Christmas and the new fresh things coming into the house. So that is your mission for today. As always, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below. And if you click the little notification bell and go through your settings on that, then you can be notified when my videos come up each morning. I try to post them nice and early so we can all have a chance to get the list updated with the item from the Fly Lady for today. So thanks again. Have a great Wednesday, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our next super cruising mission. And just as a little reminder, because I'm reminding myself, don't forget, if you're sending out Christmas cards or holiday cards, then try to get 5 addressed today. Do that as just part of your routine every day until they're finished. And I think that's it. All right, thanks guys. Have a good one, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.